The OnePlus 60 Android flagship will be launching alongside 7 accessories, according to a new report that also reveals their prices. The gadgets in question consist of 5 cases. The new USB-C bolus earphones that the Chinese manufacturer already announced earlier this month, and a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter that will be sold at 8.95 euros, though one such cable will also be bundled with every unit of upcoming handset. The newly leaked protective cases are the nylon bumper case, ebony, wooden and carbon variants of the bumper case, as well as sandstone and carbon variants of the classic protective case. While the leaked prices are all expressed in euros, planned for European markets, OnePlus established products practices suggesting the company will be asking for the same figures in dollars in the United States. The OnePlus 60 already leaked on numerous occasions over the last several weeks, with the company itself also revealing a number of details about the upcoming device, including the fact that it will sport an in-display fingerprint scanner. Compared to the OnePlus 6, the new handset will feature a smaller display now styled after a water drop and offer a higher capacity battery. Albeit at the expense of the headphone jack that won't be part of the package any longer, the firm rationalized the polarizing decision by claiming the majority of its customers already used wireless headphones, asserting now is the right time to follow suit with the majority of the mobile industry and remove the popular audio connector. While the OnePlus 60 will introduce yet another price hiking amounting to around $30 as per numerous reports on the matter, the accessories accompanying the Android phablet won't be priced much differently than those designed for its predecessors. The official pricing of the upcoming gadget should be confirmed on October 17 when the OnePlus 60 is scheduled to be announced. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.